Imagine walking through a neighborhood where nearly every tree is large and mature. The canopy is impressive. Tall trees stretch across the street, providing shade for homes and sidewalks. The neighborhood feels cooler and greener. But from an urban forestry perspective, this situation may actually signal a future problem. If most of the trees in an area are the same age, they may also decline at roughly the same time. When large numbers of trees begin to die or require removal within a short period, the community can experience a sudden loss of canopy. Urban foresters try to prevent this situation by maintaining a balanced age and size distribution within the urban forest. Age and size distribution refers to the proportion of trees that exist in different growth stages. These stages typically include newly planted trees, young trees, medium-sized trees, mature trees. A healthy urban forest includes trees at all of these stages. Young trees represent the future canopy. Medium-sized trees are actively expanding canopy coverage. Mature trees provide the majority of environmental benefits. This balanced structure helps ensure that as older trees decline, younger trees are already growing to replace them. Urban foresters often analyze tree populations by measuring diameter at breast height, or DBH. DBH is measured at approximately 4.5 feet above the ground and provides a standard way to estimate tree size and age. Inventory data allows urban foresters to group trees into DBH categories and analyze the distribution of tree sizes across the city. For example, a city may discover that most of its trees fall within the largest diameter classes. This suggests that many trees were planted during the same period decades ago. Without new planting efforts, the city could experience a major canopy decline as these trees reach the end of their lifespan. On the other hand, a city with a balanced distribution will have trees spread across many diameter classes. This means the urban forest is continually renewing itself over time. Maintaining balanced age distribution requires ongoing planting programs. Cities must consistently plant new trees each year to replace those lost to storms, disease, construction, or natural decline. Urban foresters also monitor tree survival rates. Young trees require care during the early years after planting. Watering, mulching, and structural pruning help young trees develop strong structure and healthy root systems. These early investments greatly improve the chances that young trees will eventually become mature canopy trees. Another important factor is species selection. Some tree species grow quickly but have shorter lifespans. Others grow slowly but may live for many decades. A well-designed urban forest includes a mixture of species with different growth rates and lifespans. This diversity helps maintain canopy coverage over time. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional Exam, remember that balanced age and size distribution is essential for long-term urban forest sustainability. A population dominated by trees of the same age can lead to large canopy losses when those trees decline. Exam questions may emphasize the importance of ongoing planting programs and monitoring tree demographics. Today we explored why age and size distribution are critical for maintaining a stable urban forest. By maintaining a balanced mix of young, medium, and mature trees, cities can ensure that canopy benefits continue for future generations. But planting new trees is only the beginning of the process. Young trees require special care during the early years after planting. In the next podcast, we'll explore young tree establishment and early care, and why the first few years after planting are critical for long-term tree survival. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.